video. So today, now we're almost at home. So we're gonna unbox it. I see some people in the park doing some fun. I love fun, especially if you're a small kid, and especially if you have, I don't know. We're almost there. We're here. We're almost home. Now we're home. This is the neighborhood that I live in.
Open the door.
Now let's go. Let's go now. Hey. I'm gonna open the door now. Here we are, home sweet home. You may remember my previous video where I unboxed these fish. Good memories. Now time to get these other fish. Isn't this so exciting?
Unbox them.
Time to unbox them. And yes, Dada, we have to unbox them.
What do you have here?
I have a frog, a few glowfish, and a few I forgot what those zebra fish are called. I guess I'm gonna call them that for now. But unboxing time. We have to get ready.
So,
It's
are you ready now?
yeah.
Put it now?
Sure. Okay. You guys are gonna be happy on your home with your other fishes. We also have a pleck with one
This one is for
pleco.
all freshwater fish.
With one pleco and two what are they called again?
Gecko?
No, this one.
Glecko.
Oh. Now time to unbox them.
Okay.
1, 2.
Put the video.
Put it in a count of 3. 1, 2.
You have to show up the fish.
I am. 3.
They are there.
They're there. They love it. They love these
They're all
houses.
gone?
Yeah, they are all in.
Okay.
Where's the frog?
I see him.
Nothing.
And the rest of the fish are good. Now we made lots of memories. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next. No, see you guys. Bye.